I never imagined a single test could change my life, but the HLA typing test at DNA Labs UAE did just that. Facing a kidney transplant, I was overwhelmed until I learned how this test finds the most compatible donor to reduce rejection risks. The process was smooth, professional, and cost 300 dirhams. At first, I hesitated, but now I see it was the most valuable step in my journey. The results came quickly and gave my doctors exactly what they needed. Thanks to DNA Labs, I found a matching donor and a renewed sense of hope. This test wasn't just medical, it was a turning point.